Hello friends, in my last video I have covered the HR budget planning and it's important. Now it's also crucial to know by following which metrics HR department calculate and prepare the HR budget. There are various metrics used by the HR department. I will discuss one by one in each separate video. But today in this video I will start with the first matrix, that is cost per hire. As it sounds, cost per hire means cost of each hire. It calculates how much company is spending on each new hire from starting to end recruitment process. If you want to learn more about the recruitment process, you can watch my this video. So the cost per hire indicates the average amount of money spent on each new hire brought into the organization, or you can say total expenses of an organization occur to recruit and onboard a new employee. Cost per hire is a recruitment matrix which helps managers to estimate the internal and external cost linked with the process of hiring new employees. The concept is very simple, but understanding the cost per hire requires a bit of a deeper dive. When hiring, not for all costs are obvious upfront. You need to consider everything from posting a job to onboarding a new hire. Ensures that you don't miss any single cost when calculating, as overlooking them leads to inaccurate estimates and missed opportunities for improvement. While calculating the average expenses of recruitment cost or hiring a new employee, this includes advertising, recruiting and onboarding costs. Company advertises the vacant positions ad over the internet and the different platforms to attract the eligible and the qualified candidates, conducting their interviews and select the exact match and send them for the onboarding process. In short, I am telling here what is onboarding. Onboarding is a process where company introduce the new employees or new hires to the other staff members and the company's policies. During all the process of this, company bears some expenses and calculating these expenses, which helps in budgeting and improving the efficiency of the hiring process. By all this, company can face two expected results. Either the result comes in high cost per hire or low cost per hire. Let's see what happens when the cost per hire goes high. It shows organization is spending enough amount in recruitment process. Might be it includes the costly way of funding candidates, comprehensive way of external agencies, facing tough competitions for talent or inefficiencies in hiring. So we analyze maximum funding is spent on hiring process. Organization recruiting candidates from external employment agencies could be expensive and facing problem to reach out easily to recruit or source the candidate due to a high competition. It will cost a high amount. Parallelly, if we see when the cost per hire is go down, it shows the organization is capable of filling the vacant position in less expenditure. This indicates smart hiring strategies are followed by the HR department. Internal resources and references is using very well. Background verifications and administrative cost is less, which represent a good reputation that attract the candidate on focusing on the affordable way to find a job. So, the important formula which is used to calculate the cost per hire is total recruitment cost divided by number of hires. or internal recruitment cost plus external recruitment cost divided by total number of hires. The internal and the external recruitment cost includes all these expenses which is spent by the organization in different HR processes and activities. For example, the total expenses occurs in a company including external and the internal cost is 81,000 and the total number of new hire is 300. Now put the value into the formula. So by applying this formula we get the result $270. It shows the average amount is spent on hiring. Yeah, it's expensive hiring. By remarking the average cost to hire someone, the company can see how it stacks up against industry standards, past results or goals. To cut costs, it's smart to look closely at every part of the hiring process. A lot of money goes into the advertising, but finding a cheaper way to advertising or improving referral could help save money. While lowering the hiring cost is good, it should not hurt the quality or speed of hiring. Cutting costs effect longer to fill position or hiring people who are not a good fit. It could hurt the company overall. So by using this matrix, HR department analyze the future needs and the area of improvement in the hiring process. So friends, this is for all today. Hope you like it. We'll explore next matrix, that is HR cost per employee, in next video. Till then, keep watching and learning. Thank you so much.